Hello my friends, welcome to Trading VKS. Today is 8th of March, 8th of March 2022. So market continue to drop. So actually I welcome it to drop. The further it drop, the better Means next time when we want to buy, that time there's more room to grow So it's time to cut all the stock first. Those stock that's not making money supposed to cut it first. So hold a few stock that is longer term, still okay, still haven't hit stop loss, still can hold. Those already hit stop loss, not performing one, better throw it first. So we want to collect back all the bullet for the next round. Okay. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment. Want to open trading account? We got you can open CGS. You can try CGS-CIMB account. With the iTrade platform. So now they got a promotion. When you open an account, free documentation, you also can get this what we call it, the opportunity to get cashback. Okay, and also possible where was the promotion? This one. Okay, then also possible can get this possible can win iPhone. Terms and condition apply Okay, so don't forget. Okay, you can open this trade beyond and margin line account also the margin account Okay, so Facebook, my Facebook is facebook.com trading VKS. Twitter is twitter.com trading VKS. Coffee, want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com ko-fi.com trading VKS Okay, look at KLCI. Okay, KLCI straight away break break the neckline already break the neckline already. Okay, so this one so another big drop today. Okay, the price double top. Okay, broke the neckline. Okay, so it will come back. Normally it will go back. It will come back and retest the neckline. So there will be some rebound in the next few days. But don't think this is this is a opportunity to buy in. I don't see the opportunity yet. Probably it will happen like this. It will go up for a while, then it will get rejected at the neckline. It will come back somewhere here. Somewhere here possible. Let me adjust this line properly. This line I think is supposed to be here. Okay, here, yeah, supposed to be here. So it will do something like this, come back here, then it come back, end up around here So around 1.5. Let me mark it. 1.526 to 1.532. Okay, so these are the area that I'm targeting. Okay, once the price come back to here, it start to rebound. There will be the better place to buy in, to collect again, start to collect the stock again, Now it's let go first Okay, unless we want to we want to buy in unless what happen is, okay, this one actually goes back above this 1.567. Okay, if it goes back above 1.567, then we can collect again. If it cannot go through, okay, it drop back here, then we will collect from here, 1.526 to 1.532. These are the area that we want to collect. Okay, so we want to wait and see. Okay, we want to wait and see which way how it develop. But okay, look at this pattern. Most likely, okay, it's dropping way too fast. Way too fast, faster than expected. Okay, most likely will come back to here. Okay, this is my number one area that I will start to collect. Once it start to rebound, show rebound sign here, I will start to collect again. So now I already let go everything, almost everything except some of these are long-term stock, long-term recovery stock, only recovery stock. Okay, about the COVID, now COVID, today everyone is getting better the children is okay now. My daughter still today, this morning she also show a little bit of tiredness so it's not like straight away can recover. After recovery still got some time, still got some symptoms, so no joke this COVID. As long as the virus in the body it still can create havoc even though it seems like recovering. Like me today getting better better than yesterday yesterday and Sunday lah. So my wife also. But we don't know suddenly you know the symptom will come again no joke this COVID really so this one we wait for another big drop, collect bullet first. So take look at today market. Today now is 11:57 Sentiment 31, losers 384. Sorry, gainers 284, losers 628. Volume 4.35. Oh, so big volume let me refresh cannot be that big Okay, something wrong just now. So sentiment is 31, gainers 285, losers 628. So volume is 1.773 billion. Change drop 19 points 19.021553 now so it dropped in the morning, big drop, then slowly got buy up as I said it really broke through the neckline. It should go back a bit. These 2 days should rebound a bit and don't think that this is a very good opportunity. I don't probably not yet Consumer drop 1.17, industry drop 1.21, in construction drop 0.33, technology drop 3.80, finance drop 0.54, property drop 0.84, plantation drop 1.08, RET drop 0.09, energy drop 1.32, healthcare drop 1.61. So today everything drop. Communication drop 1.51, transportation drop 0.08, utility big drop 0.82. So market is still very bad. Look at any top gainers or not. NILEX today is, I think it's the dividend day so this one is not the actual one. MSC, AJIYA, big gain. We take a look at AJIYA. We never see look at AJIYA. Income also got. Subur also got this one. Also, I never look at this. Maybe take a look Nothing to look. Maybe got some flying stock as I said during this time of time, right? MCE very look already. HDP, this one too volatile, cannot play. SCICOM, look at SCICOM. FGV already look this one. Maybe take a look at FGV. KIMLUN no volume but quite big, but quite got some. Look at KIMLUN. Got big gain but very small volume. EPMB also got volume. Take a look Others no volume no volume, not reliable the data. Encom got some volume. Okay, so today we'll look at this Look at EPMB. EPMB they should take profit already here at 1.4 1.4 should take profit already. So if not take profit, I think if continue to drop, have to let go already I think this push already finished This push already finished It could give you one time, second, two chance to sell at 1.4 So this one whether still got chance. RSI trying to rebound at 50, maybe still got chance hold a few more days and see what happen Stop loss is at 1.050 1.050 EPMB. Or one time, two time for you to take profit 1.4. So if next time it rebound again, take profit at 1.4 If you continue to drop, maybe let go first Already, I think the push already. This push already finished already This push already finished already. AJIYA. Okay, this stock I never monitor this stock So AJIYA looks like already coring already Better not go in already coring already coring So this one, maybe it will rebound at 0.945. Maybe here you can rebound lah, but this one very risky lah. 1, 2. Head and shoulder, come back here. Best this one best wait for it to come back to here first. Bottom channel. Come back to 0.645 around this area, rebound lah. Bottom channel lah, buy But this one already goring finish already, goring. This yearly report quite good lah. So already goring already. SCICOM. SCICOM drop to the channel bottom. Maybe this one can take a look. But this one very volatile. After breakout from this long term, breakout from here. Let me see this one. How do we monitor this one? Yeah, so wait for a rebound, rebound over here. Okay, wait for a rebound around 1.15. If you can rebound here, then maybe the next dividend time, or the channel play the channel, or the next earning report, okay, it should go back up here. Well, this one wait for a rebound, wait for a rebound. But this one, how do I put it? Just received a call from the health department asking me about my symptom, my current status, everything, my situation. So today better than last 2 days. Okay, SCICOM. Maybe this one got chance. But this one, if you are interested to buy this one, maybe wait for the dividend out first. Because after dividend out, it might change direction. But SCICOM looks like the P&L is okay or P&L is okay. SUBU, this one I will also never take a look but since market so bad, take a look this one already goring already. This one too late already. Wait for it to drop first Drop back to this area first This one already goring gao already. Drop back to the channel bottom 1.4 drop lower. This one don't chase Okay, lower 1.2. These are the area where maybe you want to buy. FGV. So collect bullet Okay, FGV drop already now. Baby want to rebound back, but never mind. Take profit first here. Take profit first and see what happened here. Today, 1 day rebound doesn't mean it's going to go up again. It could just rebound 2 days, as I said. You look at KLCI, right? KLCI might rebound 2 days, a few days. Here, might rebound 1-2 days, a few days, then it will most likely drop again. So this one, or don't think that this one, or straight away I want to buy in again. So be careful. So this one is just a rebound, few days rebound before it's gonna drop again but back to the channel bottom because look at today, right? Let's see today the palm oil price. The palm oil price drop again, right? That's why palm oil price drop again so this one shouldn't be going higher and not higher again. No, should not I'm not saying it could not, it should not. So it should not be going higher again. So this one KIMLUN. KIMLUN big drop. I don't play KIMLUN very bad. income. Income take profit already. Income we got chase starting from here. This one take profit already 3.8. Around here today got drop, got go up again. If you think it still can go up, take half profit first, or you take all profit already. We already income, we already chase from here. Start from here, remember. We really chase 20 over percent 20 over percent income okay, we back 20 over percent so this one better out already SP Setia kena already today. I just want to let you guys know SP Setia out SP Setia out drop below stop loss already this one maybe want to out temporarily and wait for it to rebound, then only buy again this one out. SP Setia cannot KO. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again in the evening. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.